I don't know, it's one of those days. I'm still not feeling sick. It's raining again. Just sometimes you just have to get the stuff done. So I just want to let you guys know I'm still there working out after 2 rest days and computer problems. I'm happy. I just noticed I haven't recorded anything today. It's already 3 p.m. I don't know, it's one of those days. I'm still not feeling sick. It's raining again. Actually, trying to think if I can squeeze in my leg workout. I have no idea yet if I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be getting late. I'm not feeling well. I'm exhausted right now. The last couple of days, just with it being cold and everything. I have to see if I can manage to get my leg workout in. No excuses. And let's see what I'm gonna get into. What's going on, YouTube Nation? It's my famous after the workout show. Today it's late. What time is it? Let me see. I think it's like 7:30. Let me see. Yeah, 7:30. I tried the whole day doing my leg exercise, squat base, as you saw earlier. I wasn't feeling good, headache, stomach problems. But at the end of the day, you have to get it in. Increased everything. Worked out fine. I'm gonna be looking forward in the future to go back and see, work out. I increased everything. Just sometimes you just have to get the stuff done. So I just want to let you guys know I'm still there working out after 2 rest days and computer problems. I'm happy. Too late now, but let's see. Maybe I'm gonna treat Annabelle to go to Target Pub if she wanted to go. Pushing back at bedtime again, but her school starts soon, so why not now? So for me, it's the last dinner. The chicken, rice, and green beans. Shower time, and then we might be heading out. Either it's gonna do another video in here, or it's gonna be the outro. See you guys then. So it's me and my partner in crime. It's already late, but we're out here going to Publix. I have no idea what we're making about for dinner today, so we're buying some bread. And let's see what else focus. What else we're gonna buy? She's gonna get a reward anyways because she's cleaning up every night. Sebastian is not. He's at home watching TV. Okie dokie, come here, little girl. Is that day, what am I saying? The time of the day where I'm exhausted. I'm about to fall asleep. We went to Publix, as I said earlier, and I got a treat for. I have to be in the picture too, for cleaning up the last couple of days, helping me. She got a little donut as a treat. Sebastian didn't get anything because he doesn't clean at night on purpose. So she got a treat for helping me clean, getting stuff in decent shape. It's not perfect, but at least it helps me out a little bit. So that was my update. I just want to say, if you like the video, it's a boring day, there's not a lot of footage except me working out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Hopefully people like the meal prep video too. It's a little long, but that's what it is. I might be doing another one. I'm still working on the funny dad workout video, but the computer issue just put everything on a hold. I lost a full day or more because I still haven't recovered all the data. So, but that's it. So thanks guys for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and Annabelle is gonna have the last words of the video.
Please like and subscribe for more to bye. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.
Thanks guys. Bye bye.